Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Nicole over at Vagabond Crafter. She's hosting a Christmas card exchange and I wanted to join in. This is the project card that I'm going to be sending her. Lots of layering, and let me show you the supplies that I used to create the front. The papers are all from this Very Merry Christmas kit. It was like a scrapbooking kit. I've had it in my stash for years. I am trying to use up my supplies this season. That paper was from 2006. I used papers from this collection. I used my Lawn Fawn hill die to create the snow hill right here. This is the stamp set that I used. They came with matching dies that I just have on in a sheet protector. For that I used little snowman. These little trees were from a old style Sizzix die right here. I had these Believe rub-ons that I recently hauled from a yard sale. Those are from 2003. Put that right up there. On the inside I have made flat mail, so it just costs a little bit more than a postage stamp. On this side I'm sharing some Christmas stickers. And in this little envelope, I have a little pull tab, and inside I've also shared some of the trees, as well as some extra snowman die cuts that hopefully she can use on her projects. In this pocket up here, I stamped some stamps from a Tim Holtz Christmas pack on a couple of different kinds of paper. And I'm also sending her a sample of my new traditional Christmas dewdrops. And that's my Christmas card entry for Nicole over at Vagabond Crafter. Nicole, I hope you enjoy my Christmas card. Happy holidays to everyone, and have a great day.